Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into a product that promises to bring a burst of health and vitality into your daily routine: Organifi Green Juice powder. Let's explore the amazing benefits of this superfood drink. Close up of the Organifi Green Juice powder container being opened, a scoop of the powder being taken out. Organifi Green Juice powder is a blend of 11 superfoods packed into a convenient, easy to mix powder. It's designed to help you get all your daily greens in just one scoop. First up, detoxification. The ingredients in Organifi Green Juice, like chlorella and spirulina, help flush out toxins from your body, giving your system a much-needed cleanse. Next, it boosts your immune system. Ingredients like ashwagandha and turmeric are known for their immune-boosting properties, helping you stay healthy and strong. Feeling tired? Organifi Green Juice can help increase your energy levels. The blend of greens provides a natural, sustained energy boost without the crash. It also improves mental clarity. With ingredients like matcha green tea and wheatgrass, you'll experience better focus and mental sharpness. Lastly, it supports healthy skin. The antioxidants and vitamins in this green juice help promote a glowing complexion. Using Organifi Green Juice powder is super easy. Just mix one scoop with water or your favorite beverage, stir well, and enjoy. Host demonstrating how to mix the powder with water, stirring, and taking a sip. And there you have it, a delicious, nutritious green juice in seconds. I've been using Organifi Green Juice for a few weeks now, and I can honestly say, I feel more energetic, focused, and my skin has never looked better. It's become a vital part of my morning routine. So, if you're looking for an easy and effective way to boost your health, I highly recommend trying Organifi Green Juice powder. Click the link in the description to get yours today and start feeling the difference. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.